Let us start solving this problem. A number of smooth descent periods of a stock. So we are given with an integer array prices representing the daily price history of a stock, where prices I is the stock price on the ith day. Okay. A smooth descent period of a stock consists of one or more contiguous days. Let me repeat, one or more contiguous days such that the price on each day is lower than the price on the preceding day by exactly one. The first day of the period is exempted from this rule. Okay. Then the number of smooth descent periods. Let me tell you, 3, 2, 1. From this period, we will be having 3 and then 2 and then 1. If you see uh, only one is the difference between every two numbers, right? 3 and then 2 and then 1. 3, 2 is 1 and then 2, 1 is another one, and then 3, 2, 1 is another one, and then 1, 2, just 3, just 3, and then 4. If you see here, 8677, is there any two numbers, adjacent numbers, which are contiguous days, right? Contiguous, and the price difference is exactly 1? No, there are no such things, but there are individual days, we can consider them, right? And we are returning 4. But let us see what I got a wrong answer here. 12 to 4 and then 3 4, 12 to 3 and then 4 3, 10 9 8 7. 12 to 4, 12 to 3, right? 12 to 3, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and then 4 3, right? Then 9, 10 9 8 7, 10 9 8 7. I know I can easily go through the array, traverse the array from starting here, and the difference between these two is 1, right? 12 minus 1 is 11. Okay. Now 11 minus 1 is 10. Okay. Then 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay. I'm just expanding. Now 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. Then 4 and then 3. And 3 minus 1 is not 4, right? Let's just stop here. Let me tell you how do I get it. Just take, so 4 and then 3, 4 comma 3. These are the three subarrays. Now there are three subarrays. Okay, I can consider it. Now what if I was having 4 3 2? How many subarrays I can get? If you see 4, let me tell you again, 4 and then 3, 4 3, but there are some things which are being added. Let me tell you, 2 is added, right? This one 2 is added, and then 3 comma 2 is added, then 4 comma 3 comma 2 is added. Let me just simplify it for you. 4 3 2. Okay, 4 3 2, I got it. 4 3, yes, I got it. 3 2, yes, I got it. 4 3 2, yes, I got it. Now let's go and go with 4 3 2 and then 1. Let me tell you simply that all these will be there in the next, uh, all the subarrays will be there in the next, right? Let me tell you why. So now if you see, I'm just copying them, all these will be present. Why? Because 4 is, yes, it is present. 3, it is present. Wait a second. 3, it is present. 2, it is present. And 4 3 3 2, 4 3 2 is also present. But there are some things which I need to add, which is nothing but 1. Let me add it. Subarray 1 comma 2. Okay, sorry, 2 comma 1. Let me add it. 3 comma 2 comma 1. Let me add it. 3 comma 2 comma 1. Let me add 4 3 2 1. 4 3 2 1. Just by adding one number, how many I'm getting? Nothing but the size itself. Now if I was having only one number, I'll be having only one. If I had two numbers, 2 comma 1, I'll be having 2 plus 1, nothing but 3. Now if I had 3 2 1, I'll be having the size 3 plus 3, nothing but 6. 4 3 2 1. If I here the size is 4, 4 plus 6 is 10. Now 5 4 3 2 1 will have 5 plus 10 15. So that's how we'll be counting, and I'm making the array like this. So the first thing which I want to do is make an array count which returns number of valid decent subarrays, right? So decent subarrays for the given size, right? Nothing but for 1 we'll be storing 1, and then for 2 we'll be storing 3, and then 3 for we'll be storing 6 for 3, and then 10 for 4, 15 for 5, like this. And then we'll just go with current is equal to 1. Why? Because even if there is a single element that will be counted, and let's take the count, or let me just take the answer is equal to 0. Now for I is equal to 1 till n, if it is contiguous, nothing but nums of I minus 1 is equal to nums of I. Then what I need to do is just increment the current, and else I'll just add answer plus is equal to count of current, and then I'll make current is equal to 1. That's it. And after this for loop there is an error. Why? Because I'm just I'm just going to lesser than n. What if in the end I have something like 3 to 1? Then this isn't added, right? This current isn't added. That's what I got the error here for this 10 9 8 7. I have the current is equal to 4. When I got here, from here to here, I got current is equal to 2, and then I made it 1. Right here, after getting 10 I made it 1. So I'll add count of current to the answer, and then make current is equal to 1 if in the else condition. So here it is like 3 3 6 9 and then 10. So here the current is equal to 10, and then here it will be 1. It will be made as 1, and then 2 here, and then 1 again here. But if you see, this isn't added to the answer. So what I'll do after the loop, I'll just add answer plus is equal to count of current, and the last will just return the answer. That's how we solve this problem. And if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.